So this is a video to help you create and enroll in a class using the ASSISTments system. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the ASSISTments website. The address, think of it in two parts, assist and then ments. So ASSISTments with an S at the end, .org. So when you go to the ASSISTments.org website, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. What we're going to do to get you set up is we're going to start with the Tell Me More button. And then there's a menu that says Apply, and you're going to apply for an account as a student. When you do, you'll have the opportunity to register. It's thinking. It's a little bit slow. It's thinking. Come on. So while we're waiting for it to go, I can tell you a little bit more about this website. So this website was actually designed by a gentleman who had been diagnosed with brain cancer, and he decided he wanted to do something really cool if he wasn't going to have much longer to live. And so he created this system. The good news is he survived and he's still around making this site. Okay, so when you come in, it's actually going to take you to a page that looks like this. And so at the top it says, need an account? Register here. So we'll go to register here. You're going to select the option that says I am a student. You're going to select the state of Michigan from the drop-down list. The district, I'll tell you this is a very long list of districts. Boy, you could keep scrolling through it for a really long time to find Dexter. If you type DEX, it'll actually take you to the Dexter Community School District list. So we're going to choose that. Then from the list, we'll choose Mill Creek Middle School. And then you're going to enter your first name and your middle initial and your last name and your birthday. So perhaps you were born on July 5th of 2000. You are in 8th grade, so you're going to select 8 from the pull down. You can leave the time zone as U.S. Eastern because that is the time zone that we're in. For the password, it's best if you choose the same password that you use to log into the computers at school. This will make it easier and you'll only have to remember one thing. And then the CAPTCHA below is just to verify that you are in fact a human. So we're going to type 364, which is the number I see here. Yours will be something different. Select that you have read and accept the terms of use and register. Now you're registered. If you look in the top right-hand corner here, it's created a student ID for you. The ID should be your first name, your middle initial, and your last initial. So I put in John A. Doe, so this is John A. D. And then the month, 07 is for July, and the year, and the day, 05 is for the date, the 5th. So this is July 5th. This is the general format for your user ID. I'd encourage you to write this down someplace so you can keep it handy. The last thing you need to do is to enroll in a class. You'll choose your teacher off the list, choose Miss Dever. You'll choose which class you want to enroll in. At this point, you want to enroll in the Pre-Algebra 2014 to 2015 class. The only section that's available is First Block, so we're going to go ahead and click on Enroll. Sometimes it seems like we have to click on Enroll twice in this, and I'm not quite sure why, but there it is. Hey, now you're enrolled in this class. The folder that you see here is the Assignments folder, and there are two subfolders within that. The first one, Progress Assessments, is where we want to be working right now. Later on, we'll start working in the Unit 1 folder. If we click on the word Progress Assessments, it opens up to this thing that says Pre-Algebra Progress Assessment Start of Year. This is the pre-test for this class. It does not count in your grade, and all you need to do is give your best effort on it so we can see where you're at right now. So you're going to go ahead and click on that, and it'll start the test for you. In some of the questions, it'll ask you to format your answer in a particular way, and it may say, sorry, that answer isn't formatted right if you enter something different. So just pay attention to the directions that are in each question. Again, if you don't know something for a question, you don't have the option of skipping it, but you can take your very best guess. So for example, in this one, this is a question that asks about some exponents. And it says that instead of writing x squared with the 2 up high, I have to write x with a little caret and then the 2. So let me just take a wild guess at the answer here. Y raised up to the 6th power, and then I submit my answer. It says my answer has been recorded, and I can click on to go to the next problem. So you're simply going to work your way through this and take your best shot at it. Please don't spend any more than about 45 minutes on this. If you've been on it for that long and are not done, stop, and that's fine.